In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Codeblocks to your Windows computer or laptop. So we're going to start just by opening up a Google Chrome web browser, and in the search box type in Codeblocks and press enter. Click on this top website here, which is codeblocks.org. Click on downloads in the left hand side. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different downloads here. So we have the binary release, source code, also SVN. Now the one you want to click on is download the binary release, and then go and select your operating system. So we have Windows, Linux, and also Mac. Now I'm on a Windows 11 computer. It doesn't mention it here, but you can click on this top one. And now if we scroll down, we're going to see the Microsoft Windows download links. So just like before, there's a bunch of different ones you can download here. The one that we want is this fourth one in the list. So it's Codeblocks MINGW, and it's the setup.exe. So I'm going to click on sourceforge.net, and that should begin downloading in your downloads folder. So just give that a few seconds while it downloads. It's a relatively small file, so this shouldn't take too long. So once it's finished downloading, we're simply going to open up the application, and now you can start going through the steps to install this onto your computer. Click on I agree, make sure to leave all of these options checked and press next. Select where you want to save Codeblocks to. I'm going to leave it here and press install. Now once this is finished installing, we can begin to run Codeblocks, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.